Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're waiting for a refund and it hasn't appeared yet, here's what to check. First, understand that refunds are processed by merchants first, not bunq. Once merchants approves the refund, it can take several business days to appear. Check your transaction history carefully. Sometimes refund appear as a separate credit entry rather than reversing the original charge. Make sure the merchant has confirmed the refund on the other side. Ask them for a refund confirmation receipt if necessary. Keep in mind that the card refunds can take 3 to 10 business days depending on the merchant and payment networks. If the merchant confirms the refund but still hasn't arrived after the expected time frame, contact bunq support with the transaction details. That's how to fix the bunq refund not received. Subscribe for more fixes.